I'm going to be doing my seed unboxing. I got these seeds from Botanical Interests. I ordered from their online catalog. Happy growing, Botanical Interests. Thank you, Tall Sunflower. Botanical Interests Seed Starting Guide. Hopefully this will give me a few tips on getting the light and moisture correct for the seeds. Made in the shade. I plan on putting the shade mixture out front. We don't get much sunlight there. Hopefully this will thrive there. Grandmother's Cut Flower Garden Mix. I plan on putting this in the backyard to help attract insects to the vegetable garden. Tomato pole beefsteak. So these will be a vining variety. I have so many volunteer seeds from the past few years. I really hope that I can eliminate them and just have the seeds that I've ordered. Tomato bush Roma. These will be a short bushing variety, so it's not going to continue to grow and grow and grow. It'll just put out its crop and then die back. I'm assuming I've actually never done bushing tomatoes before, so I think that might be how it works. The honey nut squash. I've never done a honey nut. I have done butternut squash, and it will absolutely take over the whole yard, but I'm willing to take that risk because the winter squash lasts all winter. I've eaten squash in the springtime that I grew in the summer. Here's my summer squash. I haven't ever had very good luck with squash, so I'm definitely going to be doing some more research to give these seeds the best possible chance. Carrots. What else can you say? Beets. These are my absolute favorite vegetable. I'm super excited. Hopefully I'll be able to figure out how to successfully grow them. I've never grown beets before. Green beans. I have had success with green beans in the past. Here is the microgreens. For the microgreens, I do have a plastic seed starting tray that I do plan on continually sowing microgreens all year round. And finally, this was a set of recycled paper pots. I think I spent so much money and they gave me a free gift. So I do plan on using these to start my seeds indoors. Especially those tomato seedlings, since I don't want them to be mixed up with the seeds that come up naturally in the garden every year. So that was my order from Botanical Interests Seed Catalog. The art is just so beautiful, and that's what really attracted me to their seed catalog. What are the beautiful drawings? I was really looking forward to opening them and seeing beautiful packs of fresh seeds just waiting to be sown.